hire for the internship. Because there's costs with the internship, with paid tools that we provide when we give an official offer letter, where we're taking bets on people, we don't send that to everybody because some people just took their paid tool subscriptions, used those, and we wasted money and then they didn't actually create or try. And so this is our way of basically giving you an initial basis. Obviously, you can see everything online. I own Persist Ventures as well. This is a very expensive household. Would that be maybe 120 crore? It's in Puerto Rico on the beach. So, to get into the assignment, I clearly need to do better with what we're sending. We did just start this process, but yeah, there's a few people in the chat who didn't get it. Anyways, this is a token that we launched recently. What we're creating and building is something that can help us predict when there's going to be a new big buyer coming in. So I'm just explaining the goal. It will take a decent amount of thinking about how to solve the problem. I'm just giving you the puzzle. I'm not going to tell you every piece of how to do it because that's why I hire outwards. I am a visionary. You know, a lot of these ideas and companies that we've built that have been successful have simply stemmed from me talking about the projects and then finding persistent people who figure out how to build those things, and I hire them. That's what this process is. You'll get a bunch of training materials and stuff. Again, this is a filter process to see who can think critically and do initial work that it takes. Nowadays, you can do anything. You have super intelligence at your fingertips, ChatGPT, etc. Claude is even better now. So anyways, you will need to use some sort of software. Probably easier than doing front-end scraping. Whatever software that they're pulling this stuff from. It's likely an API out there. Again, I'm just giving you the framework. What that's going to do is you're going to check existing wallet addresses from all buyers. And the thing that you're looking for is when someone has strictly created a new account. This isn't one of them. It's not super common. We're again just trying to find when those are happening. When I say when those are happening, I mean there's a certain type of account which will have only just bought some Solana recently, their first ever purchase. And then they will have purchased the token. When we see that someone has purchased, for example, 20 Solana, let's see here. I would love to find one right now, but again, this is why we're using a bot, so that a human doesn't have to do it. So we go to the beginning. This person bought from Binance. So it doesn't actually matter where it come from. As long as it's new, basically they have new Solana, which came in the wallet. And they have just purchased only Uranus, or only the specific token that we're checking. So in this case, it's this one. But for different tokens, we're always just looking for a new buyer of the token. That signals to us that if they purchased some of it, they just got 20 Solana, they spent 5 Solana on buying the token initially. People always do test sample buys. That means they're going to use the rest, likely, of that 15 Solana to buy it in the near future. We just need that information. We're going to build a team with some of you to continue working on this specific project and to flesh it out and to start doing automated trades, etc. The initial thing is just the checker. So it should be able to go to any token, and I should be able to have a tracker that pings somehow, whichever way that you want, when there is someone who just purchased their first token ever, being Uranus, and has extra Solana in their account. Now, there are other chains that this will be valuable for. So you might want to think about that while building it. It won't just be for this token. Again, we want to be able to check for any certain token. And that's it. So to summarize, we are checking for new buyers of token who are likely to buy more, and we're doing that by checking to see if they have more of the type of token which is required to buy that thing. In this case, Solana. Crypto may be new to a lot of you. I'm expecting you don't know much about this. Again, critical thinking is just a key to life and actually building projects, and it's what we look for. And as long as you're persistent, you'll be able to figure this out. If you do need, take this transcript, put it into Claude, and from there, you will be able to ask questions to the entire transcript, and it will be able to tell you all the things that I'm talking about. So it's always a cool thing to teach people that you can do anything. So that's a cool part of this process. After this, you guys will be given each access to our entire onboarding process. We have pro accounts on lots of different platforms, and we have a list of hundreds more projects sourced from top venture capitalists. You'll see some of the other team members having a meeting over there, and we continue forward. This is our talent search process. I built a multi-million-dollar company while I was in college, and so now I'm searching for my younger self because I wasn't given the opportunity and help in terms of identifying great business opportunities. I was also lucky to have a family with a good background, so this is my way of reaching out to my younger self and helping them become as great as they can be. Thank you guys, and I'm excited for this